Network technology GSM HSPA LTE 5G. Body dimensions 168.1 x 75.5 x 8.9 mm, 6.62 x 2.97 x 0.35 in. Weight 202 grams, 7.13 ounces. Build. Glass front, plastic frame, plastic back. SIM single SIM, nano SIM, or dual SIM, nano SIM. Dual standby, water repellent design. Display type LCD, 144 Hz, HDR10 size 6.8 inches, 109.8 cm2, 86.5% screen to body ratio. Resolution 1080 x 2460 pixels, 395 pi density. Platform OS Android 11 chipset Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 plus 5G, 5nm, CPU octa-core. 1x 2.99 GHz Cryo 680 and 3x 2.42 GHz Cryo 680 and 4x 1.80 GHz Cryo 680, GPU Adreno 660. Memory card slot no internal 128 GB 8GB RAM, 256 GB 8GB RAM UFS 3.1. Main camera triple 108 MP, f1.9. Wide, 1.52, 0.7 mm, PDAF 13MP, f2.2, 119U acute. Ultrawide, 1.12 mm, f2MP, f2.4, depth. Features dual LED dual tone flash, HDR. Panorama video 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 ps, gyro ACE. Selfie camera single 16MP, f2.2, wide. 1.0 mm video 1080p at 30 fps. Sound loudspeaker yes 3.5 mm jack no. Comms WLAN Wi-Fi 800 2.11 ABGN AC6E, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot Bluetooth 5.2. A2DP, with GPS yes, with AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo NFC yes radio no USB Type-C 3.1. Features sensors fingerprint, side-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass ready. For support, battery type LiPo 5000 mAh, non-removable charging fast charging 33 watts, mist colors stellar blue, glacier green price pounds.